Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the James Williams designed Yukanto. This is a close quarters combat fixed blade designed specifically for the United States military by James Williams, Special Forces guys. It's a great knife to carry on your gear and make use of in the field. The overall length on this knife is 8.6 inches. The blade length is 4.5 inches. You can see it's got a black powder-coated finish on there with a modified tanto tip. It's designed specifically for piercing, for deep penetration, and for self-defense. You can see on this reverse side it says Yukanto there, James Williams design with some kanji lettering there. A little bit of a swedge there on the spine of the blade. It's a beautiful piece as well as highly functional. You can see the handle is G10, very grippy. You can actually hear that as I rub it with my fingernail there, and it feels nice in hand. There isn't any sort of grip-specific position that he designed it for. It's basically a neutral handle so that it works well in any sort of gripping position. There, and there. So a lot of options with this knife, and but it is highly textured, so if you are wearing gloves or if you're using your hands, it's going to be grippy in the hand and work highly well. The lanyard hole there is fairly large, so if you wanted to hook a lanyard on there, you could. You've got these grooves here in the sides of the handle that are going to give you a lot more grip as well. Just a really solid self-defense piece designed by James Williams. It comes with a glass reinforced nylon sheath. I'll show you that right here. Slides right in there very nicely. And overall, the weight on this is right at about 5.5 ounces. So it's ultra lightweight. That was one of the considerations that James took into mind when he was designing it, is a lot of guys have a ton of gear on their person and in their gear bags, and this is the kind of knife that's going to get stuff done in the field, but it's not going to take up a lot of space and a lot of weight in what you're carrying. Now, this sheath is designed specifically to be compatible with MOLLE gear. So it's a J-clip, it rotates like this, and the way you attach it to MOLLE gear, I'll just do a quick demonstration here for you, give you an idea. There's your MOLLE gear in your backpack or your vest, whatever you're using. Simply move that J-clip to that position and thread it through 2 loops of your MOLLE gear, then simply thread it back, take that J-clip portion and thread it through the first one there, like so, and get that hook to hook on to the MOLLE gear like that. And you're set to go. So when you draw, your sheath stays, your knife goes, and you're ready to rock and roll with it. So pretty ingenious J-clip design, designed specifically for MOLLE gear. To pull it off of there, just get that J-clip out of there, rotate it, and pull the knife out of the MOLLE gear. So again, great little innovation there that makes it easy to carry this knife on your gear and get stuff done when it needs to be done. This is a get-it-done knife. So there you have it. It's called the Yukanto, again, designed by James Williams in California. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CRKT.